Martin Eden. A dissolution in the light of Stoicism and simulation. Theory: what if? The success we chase is nothing more than a test designed by the system. What if reality itself is only a carefully rendered surface? Martin Eden's life feels like the unanswered echo of those questions. Awakening, Martin is a poor sailor in San Francisco, uneducated, rough, shaped by labor and salt water. And then he meets Ruth. Suddenly, another layer of existence opens: books, refined language, an elite world of intellect. It is as if the system has revealed a higher level, and Martin decides he will rise. For Ruth, for status, for entry into this new reality. Taking the game seriously. He teaches himself. He reads endlessly. He writes. He sends manuscripts. They return rejected. He goes hungry. He isolates himself. Still, he persists. But here Stoicism asks a dangerous question. Is he striving for virtue or for validation? Because Stoicism teaches this: fame is external. Money is external. Status is external, and what is external cannot define your freedom. But Martin wants to win the game. He believes victory will complete him. The reward, and then success arrives. His work is published, his name spreads, money flows. The same society that once ignored him now celebrates him. Ruth returns. But something has shifted. Martin has not changed, only the way the world reacts to him has. And in that moment, he sees it. The structure, the mechanics, the artificial nature of the game. Nietzsche and the collapse of truth. Near the end, a thought crosses his mind. One of the mad sentences of that madman Nietzsche, expressing his doubt about truth, came to his mind. Who knew? Perhaps Nietzsche was right. Perhaps nothing was true. Perhaps even truth was not true. Perhaps there was no such thing as truth. This is the fracture point. If truth itself is unstable, what is success? What is love? What is meaning? If everything rests on shifting definitions, then what exactly has he achieved? This is not failure. This is metaphysical collapse. The South Seas. Escaping the simulation. Martin dreams of going to the South Seas. On the surface, it looks like escape, but symbolically, it is something else. It is the desire to exit the system, to step outside the reward mechanisms, the artificial admiration, the coded hierarchy, to leave the program entirely. But here lies the tragedy. You can leave the environment. You cannot escape an empty interior. When success arrived, meaning dissolved. And Stoicism speaks quietly here. If you wish to be free, do not anchor your happiness to what is not within your control. Lesson: if life is a simulation, status is a level, fame is a badge, money is a resource, but character is the only non-transferable value. Nietzsche questioned truth. Simulation theory questions reality. Stoicism reminds us, reality may be uncertain, but your response is yours. Martin Eden did not collapse because he failed. He collapsed because he mistook a constructed game for ultimate reality. So the real question becomes, in this simulation, what are you leveling up? Your status or your consciousness?